Hey, are you tired of those monotonous and boring ceiling lights? In fact, it's a good idea to incorporate modern aesthetic elements into your space to enhance its artistic tone. Now, you don't have to look hard because the stylish frameless aluminum ceiling light box by Gonengo may satisfy your thoughts on space and lighting art. These tencel ceiling light boxes are not only used for general lighting, they have a wide range of applications, especially in the field of automotive services, including car washes, film shops, automotive garages, etc., which can comprehensively meet the diversified lighting needs of automotive-related spaces. What are the advantages of Gonengo ceiling light box compared with other counterparts? Firstly, the product light source is upgraded to ensure that the light is uniform and bright without dead corners, illuminating the entire space and saying goodbye to the dark corners of the area. Let's talk about professional cutting techniques and flexible film slots. These features make changing posters and customizing the look of your ceiling light box a breeze, as simple as placing a new piece of artwork on your ceiling at any time. High-quality electroplated oxidized aluminum profiles are not only stylish and aesthetically pleasing, but also have the advantages of durability and long service life, and are equipped with 12 floodlights, allowing you to bask in the spaciousness and brightness of the interior space. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to boring, outdated ceiling lights and hello to Gonengo's frameless aluminum ceiling light boxes. Elevate your space with style, sophistication, and a touch of modernity. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to ceiling light boxes, Gonengo has got you covered. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our products, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. See you next time.